All right, so time is passing us by, and we need to start on this next part of the work. And it's gonna take us, I don't know how long it's gonna take us, but I have a feeling it's gonna be pretty good. So we'll see. as you guys have been watching, I've been working on taking down the closet, and I wanted to finish it up to where I don't have to destroy anything else. From now on, just build stuff. And so I found out that it was actually a lot easier than I expected. But let me show you what I've done so far, and I'll explain a little bit about it. All right, so obviously we took down all the walls as you saw and got it down to the subflooring, and then pulled off all that wall. And then there were 2x4s that they were holding all this up, and that is insulation right there. And then there was an old light that I took all out, and I'm going to be patching all of that. I'm going to be using the same sort of technique that I saw on YouTube and I used in the kitchen, if you guys have been following us along. But then I'm putting a supporting beam on the inside there, so I can attach the drywall, and I did with longer screws than the usual 1 3/4 or 1 1/2, whatever I usually use, drywall screws. And so I'll be making a corner there, and then I'm going to be fixing all that. So it's all smaller things. Now my wife and I have been talking about possibly not moving the door to there, but leaving it where it is. I'm not sure what we're going to do yet. I still want to kind of move it there, but one thing I did forget that she did point out is I did all the work to pull the wire there, but if we put the door there, the light switch needs to go there, which I think it will not be too hard. Just disconnect it from here and drop it, and then bring it back up. Maybe even use the opening for where those wires go in there and go in and over, or maybe straight up anyway, but put the switch there, and then the same cord should reach right there. It's a little bit longer from there to there, like on this side, so it might not be enough, we'll see. But anyway, so that's kind of the idea behind that. It's midweek about right now, and we did a lot of work, but it went so much faster than I expected. I thought it was going to take us many days to go through it, but the main part of the work actually went pretty quick. So I want to show you what we have and where we need to go from here. I'll explain a little bit. All right, so we ended up tearing down all of this like I showed earlier. I did take all the lights and the wiring. Everything is wired with new wiring ready to go. I did patch this one hole. It's only the first pass. I still need to patch this one, and then this one, and then this one. But I did go around trying to do an initial cover, and I haven't sanded any of that, of several of the holes, but the whole wall here is not done yet. This one's going to take a little bit to do. And then I went out on that side and I did some more too. So you know, I think it went pretty well. So next thing is to start doing, I think I need to put an extra layer there because this was one sheet of drywall, this was two. So I need to put an extra one to match the height and also clean it up and then start mining that, and then of course all the paint and stuff that has to go. So thank you for staying with us, and let's see where it goes from here.